Welcome to 5M Gadget channel. Today Lenovo Legion gaming smartphone unboxing. What's new on this phone? Lenovo Legion Phone Duel is here with a Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, side pop-up camera, everything look and video inside. Look box looking new style. Okay, don't waste your time, let's open the box first. Wow, see guys, box inside, one more box, it's looking different. Let's open main box. Oh my god, I really love this backup box style, cool dude. Box front side mobile phone here. What about you think this box package, guys? Comment now you like or not. Okay, first look phone. Yeah, it's cool. The Legion Phone Duel has a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Unlike most modern phones, Lenovo's new gaming phone does not come with a hole punch cutout or notch. Instead, the Legion Phone Duel has a 20MP pop-up selfie camera on the side. Lenovo claims this ensures that users don't cover the lens with their palm when live streaming. The rear cameras are also placed towards the middle of the back for this very reason. The setup on the back of the phone includes a 64MP main sensor, and a 16MP ultra-wide lens. Keeping the lights on are dual 2,500 mAh battery cells with support for 90 watts fast charging. The phone includes two USB-C ports, and you will have to plug in cables into both the ports to be able to fully charge the batteries in 30 minutes. Some of the other highlights of the Legion Phone Duel include two ultrasonic trigger buttons. Processor: world's first smartphone to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, dubbed Legion Phone Duel. As you would expect from a modern flagship phone, Lenovo's first Legion gaming phone comes with 5G support, up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512 GB of 3.1 storage. What you need to know: Lenovo Legion Phone Duel is the world's first phone to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. The gaming phone also comes with a 144 Hz AMOLED display, 90 watts fast charging, and a 20MP side pop selfie camera. Lenovo Legion Phone Duel will be released in China later this month, followed by select markets in Asia, Latin America, Europe, Africa, and the Middle East.
Love you.